Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can profile GPU rendering on Android. So let's try to activate developer option first. You can scroll down on the settings and try to find about phone. Here you can try to tap repeatedly your build number until the notification pop up. Your or developer option is on, or you are on developer option. You can tap additional setting to access it. Here we go, developer option is enabled, accessible, and you can try to scroll down and try to find the a profile GPU rendering. So if you tap it, there is an on-screen S bar, or in ADB shells a DUMSys GFX info here. So this is on-screen bars. So profile GPU rendering. This way, monitor to GPU activity on your device. Though it is not too helpful outside of testing application during development. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.